I slap it right by your ankle. Straight up. What's in a man now chip in a little thing towards the door? Let's go.
The resort with the trailers has just been retaken by the highwaymen. More ethanol, but also more guards and more alarms.
Let's see, and take me away. Ooh. Where these guys coming from?
There's ATVs headed to your location!
Ooh. God damn. I hate when the helicopters come. Haha, run him down, bro. Damn. Shut, man. Shoot off your back, you. Let's go get him. That dog is gonna be annoying, bro. Damn, son. Yeah, I mean medic, the great medication. But them a raise up price. Mm. Can I get a refill? Oh, I need to craft that, man. Underwild boy.
Well, howdy. Hello. Had a close call with Prospect.
Let's go again with the outpost, man. Underwater, man, underwater. Underwater, man, underwater.
The Twin Seven
Ethanol.
fighters have taken back the resort. There'll be more ethanol there for sure.
Sending reinforcements!
Oh. Stay down, dude. Get up. Die. Yeah, man, the helicopter them here wait on.
I see him down there.
Huh, they thought I wouldn't have it, bro.
Target reacquired.
Die. How easy was that? Too easy peasy cheesy, bro. Well,
Hey, Pig. Real nice little fortification you got.
yeah. No. That not make sense to me either if you are, but I don't know where FIFA up to. Yeah, but when you say expensive, I don't like say it, I say like expensive. Uh, well, yeah, but you will live. You will survive, man.
That's no dog.
Mm, you have to pay a tax in that. You have to. You have to pay a tax in everything. I'll not give me a pay a tax.
You ain't never should have tried to take my baby. Or my kid Blake. Did I know you from somewhere? I mean, you look dang familiar, like as if we'd done this before in some endless haunting loop for which neither of us may ever escape. Huh. Anywho, I'm Herc, and I'm real glad you showed up. I'm looking for a driver. A driver with a prowess for unregulated violence as if they were a younger me. Well, no doubt you've probably heard of my legend, my many outlaw adventures, you know, both in and out of the boudoir. Well, all the stories you heard are true, including the one about me liberating a country with a bunch of monkeys I trained in the deadly art of edge weaponry. But I forsake that life of fame and fortune and all its trappings to settle down. I started a business with my cousin, man. We made party liquor. I fell in love with the woman of my dreams, man. We had a baby. It was a good life, man. A peaceful life. But then these highwaymen, they came and they took it all from me. They took my distillery. They took my ride. They took my woman, and they tried to take my baby. They made this personal. So now, I'm a go John Wick on their asses. I'm a fucking take from them, starting with my ride. So I need you to be my wheelman. A fearless companion willing to risk life and limb while I blow the fuck up out of everyone that stands in my goddamn way, like I'm the Jizzmaster MC Captain. I don't know what that is, man. I got carried away. Jizzmaster MC Captain just sounded like a fucking boss to me, man. I feel like a boss, man. I'm in fucking boss mode. Will you join me on this path of vengeance? If you do, me and the monkey gods will
Power
reward you
fitness.
with spoils beyond your wildest dreams. Party liquor, pornographic VHS tapes, cool guns.
7 rare, man.
I really appreciate your help, man. I promise you're gonna love my car, man. It fucking hauls ass, man. All Fast and the Furious style. It's a fucking boner on 4 wheels, man. I ain't even kidding neither. It's like the fastest car in the West. Not even a highwayman can catch this thing. I mean, David Hasselhoff called me up once and he was like, yo, between you and me, man, Kit's a fucking bitch. Let me talk about getting your ride. I told him to fucking take a hike, man. That's probably why they stole it in the first place. All just jealous of how fast it goes and how sexy I look when I'm driving my whip. They're so petty. Well, joke's on them. I booby-trapped that car, and they could never look as sexy
Probably.
as driving it because I got an inner confidence that just shines through. And it's all about confidence.
Which is why they brought it.
Here to disable the trap, but, you know, I got to them first. Hold up! Hold up, hold up, hold up! Better let me turn off that booby trap before you get in. Nope, that's not it. Oh, here we go. Wait, what the hell is this for? Never mind. Never mind, I got it. It's good, I got it. You ready to go so fast your puberty hairs will blow back and tickle your butthole?
Great David Louis is yours. Enter the driver's seat. Alright, let's go.
Oh shit. That's the booby trap. It turns out I guess I didn't disarm it. Okay, well, no big deal. It should be fine as long as we don't stop for more than like a couple seconds. Yes, Dude, if you don't keep driving, the car is going to explode, remember?
Oh damn, I didn't know that. What did? I never know that, bro. I didn't even hear that, bro. Car just explode, bro. Wait. Yeah, if you be a dinner, you. I have to do about these again. I like the great soccer.
Oh shit. That's the booby trap. It turns out I guess I didn't disarm it. Okay, well, no big deal. It should be fine as long as we don't stop for more than like a couple seconds. Use your guns to take out them barriers. Or you can just drive through it and chip my paint. Just keep following the train tracks. Highwayman, someone must have called in reinforcements.
can't
man. We
see,
get the
bro.
clear on the other side. More baddies heading our way. Take them out with the guns. Careful, don't fall off this ramp, man. Take it slow. Sorry.
Mm.
Watch out for that truck.
This car is a mess. They are streaming Far Cry.
Come on, man, for it. This kitty was meant to purr. Drop the hammer, man. Drop the hammer, man. I want to get a speed boner.
Oh,
I want to apologize for I might have talked the car a bit too much. And Gina says I have a problem where I talk things up just a bit too much sometimes. I promised you speed, and instead you had.
all them shut up there, they carry up one bad gun punny. Car is
Real fast when it's
Yeah.
done, and it's just the baby and all that.
blew up everything.
The gun's pretty cool though, right?
Hell yeah, if the gun is pretty cool. The gun is sick, dude.
I got eyes on the target below me.
Oh, helicopter. It's not even that fast though. Car is slow, cuz.
You know what, man? Fuck this car and all my memories attached to it. It's too slow, man. Let's just jump out of this junk and run like fuck and watch it explode. Here you are, you piece of shit!
What? You don't understand the wrestling? So you buy
You are a goddamn boss. Woo!
Yeah, but
Oh, man. I know we were only going like 5 miles an hour, but my heart is pounding and my dick is hard. That was intense. There was like explosions and gunfire and fucking bison.
That's it.
And we couldn't stop or we were gonna die. It was like speed but in slow motion. Shit. Oh man. And you know, I want to give you the car as a reward, but don't worry, I can make you another one, and I promise I'll go faster.
that's it. That's it.
I'm thinking that we made a pretty good team.
Man say what kind of if it's a human being.
If you want,
Yeah,
we
do
can
what,
continue
brother.
down
Yeah,
this
do it.
path of vengeance, and we can bust some more heads, man. You know, just give me a call anytime.
Well-
I'm usually free.
Skulls we well yeah, do it, brother.
Is ours. It doesn't matter where you go or where you hide, redneck. We will find you, and your punishment is gonna be
Yeah, idea. Boy, boy, boy.
that baby's treacherous ass mother. Trust.
Oh wait, the pig can't come jump in a car seat, innit? Come in, you know, jump in a car seat. Me? What the? Nah, me I try find out for see how I really are going over here. Yeah, brother. Vice well deep in a youth. Boy, we not even sure still. But yeah man, enjoy your holiday man. Yeah, the Trump not kick him out there of the country. Might go Florida.
Hell yeah, Sharky here. I got a kiddo to look after now, so I did the responsible thing and I took over a stronghold full of explosives. No, put that down.
Make him man call to Trini people that you can't change how people talk. If you call it, so you call it. Seem like how us Jamaican call certain already, man, bless you. Yeah, me know, but we have some people, brother, have some people who can't talk good speech impediment, bro. What you want them to do? You can't say, oh, it's not like that. Yeah. If I say one, call him, say call him. Oh, you mean? So if I that me see it as that me I call it. Yeah, it depends. Depend. Jimmy. Like that, yeah. Yeah, cause of the for them country. Even Ajax. People say Ajax, bro. Yeah. In Span in a Spanish they call my name Hona. I may have to say what? That's what they call it. Foot swap. Who have to play with their friends.
Hell yeah, Sharky here. I got a kiddo to look after now, so
Where name? That say my name Tukoloko Solo. Boy done you are Toulouse. Poor. What you mean? Profit to los yod. Okay. So more to Colossus. The water here green. They say love at first sight then. Tanto blacks. They say what tanto say mechanicalize scrutinize. Man, so yeah, when you scrutinize, scrutinize. When you really sit down and scrutinize the problem. And the black, that's what they both see. They do a gal and a bleach. Bomba.
Where is that tubby bastard? Hey, you! Over here! Well, this is no good. I can't just leave the kiddo.
From China. One eye.
Charlemagne Victor Beauchamp is the name, but that is a mouthful, so most people just call me Charlie. Welcome to Chateau Beauchamp, the loudest, smelliest place in all of Hope County, and the only spot where my little shit kicker likes to sleep when he's cranky. He's up there in the bro's nest now. We call him Blade. Yeah, he's my cousin Herc's baby, but we're raising him together. I tell you what, though, he's a real chip off the old block, loves farts, the sound of gunfire. It's like swaddling to him. Well, technically, this shithole belongs to the highwaymen. But me and Herc, we've been holed up here while the kiddo's teething. It breaks my heart when I see that poor little dude cry. Anyways, fucking dipshit highwaymen, they've been trying to take this place back every night since. So, well, we've held them off so far, but I'm a little overwhelmed at the moment, TBH. Well, so could you do me a solid, be a dear, and help out an overworked mommy? I mean, I rigged a bunch of traps with all these high-pressure pipes, but they still need to be armed. Little Blade's got me run off my feet, and I just need 5 minutes to myself. Maybe have a shit and shake my pits. You know, I'll supervise from up here. You gotta arm the traps, man, so look for the steam vents on the walkways.
Buy back Casimiro. Damn, son. I'm using my contraction. Damn, son. How the young Sinatra spit. Your girlfriend sitting on the young Sinatra. Me? by himself with the gal. I mean,
Cool. All right, now increase the pressure with the central valve.
so the wire in there to the dog. The wire in there to the for your knife, brother.
That'll do it. Come find me in the shed, man.
I tune it, boy. Boy, they have try it, boy. They do a food, my friend. No.
Come on in.
After I don't know how I read that.
Oh, thank you, man. I
For
really
what,
appreciate it.
me text him. But yeah, because me don't want to interrupt where you do your week. Me that will call you.
Never mind my problems, man. You helped me out big time, so you
Me
deserve
text
it.
you, brother.
Try this. Me and Herc's Berry
Text you.
homemade party liquor. This is the good private reserve shit, man. We only share this with our crew.
Cause the way you love it nonsense.
You
Eh,
might be a narc. You a narc? You gotta tell me if you're a narc. It's narc law.
long time, boy.
Drink, peer pressure. Drink, peer pressure. Doy, I should have warned you. Yeah, the party liquor's just ethanol for car engines.
Gal voice deep in the youth, yo, deep my yo.
Hey, you okay? Sorry about that. That's my bad. I forgot not everyone goes hard in the paint like me and Herc do. We got Boku helmet heads on the inbound. I'm up here in the Bros Nest with the blade on the barrel launcher, but there are too many for me to handle. Take those fuckers out, man. Any way you can, and don't let them fuck with the traps. The traps are supposed to fuck with them. Mess up our system.
I'm enjoying it. You don't feel so, brother. You don't know more.
Let the greatest music ever created fuel you as you send those fucks to disco heaven.
Radio Skylar.
Okay, here they come.
Skylar.
Hey, cutie, you want to help mommy make the patties go boom boom?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, press the button. That's it, buddy. Ho,
Her name is Skylar.
I'm so goddamn proud of you right now. I'm finna cry. Oh, shit. Blade baby, I want to thank you for giving mommy the coolest moment
Yeah.
of her entire life. Thank you.
That's like that's how you want it, you know, why you that's a sucker neat thing. Alright, out here. School day, I give sure that them one day all in time. Man, I still love him. Man, can't eat friend. I need myself for cheap. I ain't got selfie. Broke like dog.
Don't get too comfortable there, man. There's another wave coming from behind.
I tell you. Did they not go?
Look at my little Grim Reaper just snatching souls.
You need to write them. Now I don't have to do the Jaeger scores everything when me want me not get nothing.
Shit. They're coming in from every direction now. This is way more than normal, man. They're here to finish us off. I can love you so much right now, my little man. Blade baby, I want to thank you for giving Mommy the coolest moment of his entire life. Thank you. Oh.
They're right under me.
Bomba, me change the bomba so.
You are goddamn natural.
rusted metal and sulfur fumes. I don't really know what I was thinking. Prosperity is probably the place for us now. I'm gonna set up shop there. You hit me up and I'll make you some toys that go boom, okay?
Sharky Boshaw. You think you're slick, huh? Luring us into your little traps.
Champions League. Okay, noted.
Killing all our people. I bet you feel like you hurt us, but you didn't. That shit don't even matter to me. What
Me
matters
too.
to me is you
I'm glad to be.
I can't have that. Which is why, when I catch you, I'm gonna sew your asshole shut so you know you're not smart.
Yeah, you're not getting on the whole season, brother. I want to see who them are going to bring out, because nobody never did too shine. I want to see who them are going to make up and put out now. That's the way, I like it, That's the way, I like it. Which game you have left? Which game you have left? When? We feel say you stop, cause you only a game run out. Well, you could have played at least one more. Me did have only per game. Yeah, actually. Yo. Alright, I even have to go get me nah no money to get him still. Nah, give me nothing. Was it 200, 300,000 them a game? Yeah. Yeah, pan foot bin. What? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, blah. Bang, bang.
The old Peggy convent's been taken back by highwaymen. They'll call an enforcer if they see you.
Mm. Yeah, call no reinforcement, bro. Yeah, anybody up on the bench. I'm not arguing nobody, bro.
Here, Coleman, decent. Probably that them are here, them and you yeah. Tell it, could I work it? Alvaro, could I work it? Good one. Obla. Where is baby? Then could I give it a good watch still?
We don't say I be a reserve, them I give you and bench captain, brother.
Thanks for your help, Professor.
Great Kingsley.
Like, sort out the French side, guys.
Can't bother me.
The highwaymen are back at the old convent, stacked with their enforcers.
Yo, no, the future star, I want the future star mend their own destiny, man. I tell you,
Backup's gonna be there any second!
come pick me up, the pig. Pig. Pig make me dead to bonky snacks nose. Can't believe. You know I was sick than the boy there. Willie use. Body of 4. 94. Boy, turn to Black's bad too. Damn.
We're bringing up hard
Baki Morata. The after me know the name. No. Yeah, you shouldn't live. Yo.
Surround the place! Take it from every angle!
Well, it look like a skulls it skulls look like him a do them thing you know. They don't do it. Boy, I mean know say all the attention gone off of me to him, you know, but that's why I'm glad to fire up. And the girl even say, the girl even not say hi or something. You know, hi.
Well, that's a convince me that try to send picture about that girl, man, to the picture. No, not girl.
Yeah.
After a little more, when they all skull started, no, it's suspicious.
It's just bad. You got caught, man.
I say it's suspicious, bro. No, the man saying just build the party, and the person jumped in there, but he looked like he would have been part of the president.
Bouncing back after Prosperity got hit, I see.
Man saying. Oh boy. You did one. I don't know, boy. You did one before I didn't have to settle the case still. No, you would have well why you in this account? How do you stay already? After we said for you. This is what you perfect time. I know if you there. Know you feel. There, boy, hurt me, no? Hurt me, brother. Man, I said, look, you know.
Learned a lot about the local fighting style.
Yo, when you look at in our house, you know, they can kind of
Call a bite that over there in idea. I say a big punny and he just run go for it. Must be hurt, you know. But this thing now a swamp outpost this year. My friend, you must send that for. So where other Great Cassie?
see how they get expensive now, cause the FPPM there.
Gone up. Underworld, don't you know?
Diego Costa will miss ya.
How do you even tame that?
All them the youth. really spend much. The English then focus on Bundesliga.
Everybody spend their money, brother. English league, them different spend their money, brother.
Backup's gonna be there any second! They're surrounded! Close in!
Ooh. Yo, the hedgehog here, the pig here. What, you know you? Pig with the permit. Where you getting a Far Cry? Remember they get one dog. They have one pig in there now. Pig. One. What? When they shoot him up in a dead. Get up back. And run and book down people. And you see in the game you know then they make the animal them like any animal. Like wild animal, you kill somebody, wild animal see body pick you up and carry you in the cave or in the habitat. Pick up your body and run with the gun. Or take away your gun, run with the gun. But you know so then different Far Cry this you know you me I tell you. Different mission, everything different. And it really colorful. But the Kingsley, you used to remember buy watch. I tell me about for calling tomorrow and go take back and buy Metro Exodus. I play stupid anthem my youth. Stupidness. I no more don't want to play. Then one Crash Bandicoot racing game I come out, you know, you say go kart. Yeah, so if you ever play Mario Go Kart, similar. And you race with people online, brother. Statistic. If I can't catch you back over there again.
They've taken back the watering hole.
Driving my thing there.
So be ready.
And the song them pan they gave me a Tizika BX, so like a Future. Every song like some trap song and drill song. Future them are some. Book with that. Bomba. don't come here so far. That they get deleted off of my game. No, I'm not have to go in the library. Yeah. Yeah, long. Yeah, you can have wallpaper and different things. Yeah, wallpaper. Yeah, you can do that. Any game can do that. But I put my wallpapers on forest. A nice blue forest. Tizik.
ATVs will be there any second. We got them surrounded. They're below us.
What fire them was sitting there? Damn, man. Ring to the motherland. Call me Peter Pan. Go pick up my pig. Bomba, I'm gonna house quick. You soon get him, I tell you, my yacht. Brother, I'm a kind youth in a dog. My words, me not take back my words. You know. Yeah. That's called like kindness you thought that's all. Oh. No need to fear. Say a kid. Kind of that. Like a gift. One day I present like a gift. Mm-mm.
Legend Paula Nesbitt.
I would tell it, I would say domestic. Greatness running a your ankle. That Griezmann a mile one behind man. Tizik. You dead, innit? You're dead, you know? Brother, you're dead, that dog. You Lord of man. You're dead like that.
Sergio. Can't let the man another boss. Somebody, this the youth named Hernandez. Not the 80 odd run. The 70 of them, brother. Man fast and two players, man fast and put him on the check.
Eh? I'll be quick at my fly. The place in our helipad. No, it wouldn't have no helipad. This in our swamp. Alright.
Wait, teach me again. Like bank robber.
Teaching like bank robber. Oh, shadow.
Yeah, that shadow. Dumbia! All cards on deck.
Ooh. Gang, watch this man run out now.
Thank you so much.
Ooh. Oh, for skin so dry. Be a dry skin. I want them to consume a cornflakes or what? I want to look bold. What do you think? I want to look bowl, you know? One bowl alone with one entirely bowl. Yeah, the bust you bug like a chimney. I call back my pig. Forward piggy. You know, I think already, you know. Yeah, Luna is savage. Alarm over here, so. Ready for it then? Little criminal, man.
We're sending the boats to back you up!
One in the net, but I finish if we go finish the story. A story I finish. Finish if I finish the story. I joke, you know. I'm soon finish the Star Cry story, you know. I'm gonna buy a game at 2 days then. Soon done. You try at both 90% of the game I done already there. I tell you, one good thing left me to do are the little fishing them and stuff. I'm do majority of them. Eh? I'm have only for fishing and stuff. No, I'm almost done. Girl, your body good, me have to tell you, oh my man. Try to see if I can consume some some canned beef down there. Just a little dish, you know.
Highwaymen are back at that island that you
Well,
captured.
corned beef and white
Set up an
rice.
alarm, so be on your toes.
And some cabbage. Macaroni and corned beef. That's actually nice, you know, bro. Of course, macaroni and cheese are those spaghetti. What do you mean? Yeah, we might do that thing and done. I do that to them. What do you mean? Much time I make macaroni and cheese with corned beef. But me not eat a lot of it, just a little dish. You know, so me can't eat all of it.
Just keep those scabs busy. Reinforcements incoming.
Brother, I was stuck up there. That's not fair, because I was stuck. But now, man. Cause you probably not do no warring or nothing.
We're not sending any help. Nah, just kidding. We'll be right there. They're surrounded. Close in.
And give me an idea some macaroni and spaghetti right out here. Make some for two. Eh?
Need to get on some local heat and insulation solutions so we quit using so much fuel.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I you start here. Yeah, I mean, fling off. Mats, me have mats out some too. Yeah, man. Where is it done? Where is it done? Yeah, we cook now too. I lie. When you go, when you go make that. Yeah, no. I say, I go dig up some here now still. After I complete the game. Oh, you mean? I'm tear man done. I could have lived in any country. Me I stick to what me know, where me love. No care. No man want to say. He never yet hurt me. No kill me. Oh, you mean? Until you're done. White rice with the butter rice, white rice. Oh my gosh, bro.
Forces have taken the island. They've loaded it up with ethanol.
Until you're done, man, go easy, man. Life must. So film life did good. So film life did good, make him out. No seems. I mean, even have one 20 man per one bicycle. Yeah, up on the bar, everything. What's that? As me done the game, I'm gonna go do that. No hesitation. Alright, Saka gonna go mash up. I'm bored in there. Cranberry good for you, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, drink some cranberry then we'll clear your thing. Maybe open have the stone there, kidney stone or whatever. Or block up. Damn, I'm dead. If you go get here and check. Yeah, if you go get your prostate check, man. You know then check that. Yeah, kinda, you did know that they totally butt, bro. You have to do it, brother. Just request a woman one doctor they did it. Well, you're going to go dead, man, boy. The fuck. See, I have to do it, man. If you come to it, me I do mine, brother. Okay, what you want to say?
We're sending backup to deal with those problems.
Well, prefer woman than a man still. Yeah, it kind of sensitive, but so you go. Prostate, them think they dangerous. I'm not hot, no. Really. Them put one gel on their finger, man. But the thing is, you don't want you sitting there. Prostate go out to cancer and hold your bowl near mouth in the dog. I tell you, So, prefer deal with that. Yeah, I have to put my pride aside and say, you are life over this, Yeah. Boy, I don't know. I know, brother. I know what mother do. No? It's like, me not like raisins and doctor say me have to go start eat raisins. You see mad. Can't eat them sitting there. I don't know. I know me can't eat that.
We're sending the boats to back you up.
Boy, daddy, boy, daddy, boy, man. Pork are best thing. Pork are best thing. I mean, lad. I would eat with some macaroni, some spaghetti and canned beef in the night, yeah, right? Yeah. Joke. Dead man. Learn for cook. Yeah, I mean.
That's no dog.
Lihat mana lang boy. Boy, lihat lang. Tony dong mana tiun. Alright. Yes. This game is amazing, bro. We got all the bases now. Got the map, all the bases. Not bad, not bad. We need to get some stuff down here. Got some spring. Yeah. What's up here? But yeah, man. Ooh. Have to do a side mission for she. Alright, cool. Say no more. Alright, peace.